Today is November 13th, 2010, and we are here in Rancho San Diego, and the boys are going to play their airsoft. So now we have to introduce. We'll start with your name.
Mad Dog.
Get the gun right here.
Your name.
Vince, what's your name?
Yeah.
Vince, what's your name?
Oh, Vince.
20 BBs per
This is
second.
his gun.
His fires 20 BBs per second.
My name's Andrew. You can't see my face, but I'm Andrew.
Yeah, it shoots a little high.
Say your name.
Paris.
Paris. Okay.
I'm Jacob.
Jacob.
I'm Joseph.
Did you already
I'm
get
Jordan.
Did you already get Jacob and Paris?
Yes.
Alright. Did you get Mario?
Where is he?
Right here.
Mario, aka El Chapo Guzman. Something like
And the war begins. That's Vince and Jacob.
See anybody?
This is,
You want to go up closer and I'll stay back here? Or you want to
and then Vince and Paris went on this side. Now!
I think they're still behind the, like, right next to the wall and the bushes. On this side.
we should go on that side or?
Yeah, it's on this side.
Oh, Mario's coming around. He's over there.
He got shot. One of the boys got shot. Wave your flag. Wait. Okay, someone's hit. Dad, Mario's hit. No, he's not. Dad's hit.
Who was that?
Oh, that was Vince. Vince is hit. Oh, Mario was hit. He's gonna get shot again. Mario. That's one of your guys. That's your guy. Okay, someone got hit. Oh. So, see? Oh, they're all together again.
But they're all on that other side. Oh, he's out.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see.
I would say from here to that.
See? See if we would have been standing there? Okay, Dad's
Dad's
out.
I bet Mario got him. Outlived his days.
I can see like everything from up here. Dad, I can see like everything from up here.
I miss my mom!
Well, in that one movie, when like during like the little kid camp.
A bunch of beer. Like, what?
Sorry!
Vince, I'm gonna go over here.
Alright. What? What the heck? Nothing's coming out of my mouth. Oh, never mind. That's not a person. Alright, let me go up. You're hit?
Scared them.
Oh, I've got the lollipop girl on the other side too.
Oh, there's Mario.
Mario got hit.
Did you use your slingshot? Did you run up?
Dad's out too.
Oh. Ooh, I hear the Paris.
I got it. Just a minute of time. Chunky boy, and then he ducked, and then Mario came to the side.
Can I borrow your gun? I'm hit!
What?
Don't hurt your back.
It's not fair. Are you kidding? Jacob needs to move. He's moving right in front of me.
Yeah, we're out. Well, that's the whole team.
Wait, I'm still in.
I was lost in the watch. Oh, I was out of ammo.